So what we've got here is almost the complete assembly of the driver's side of the 1964 Cadillac convertible. Most of these components will work for any model, but we have the felt right here starting, and this you can get cut to length. This is a lower channel on the back part of the window, so we'll be replacing this felt in here. And then we go over to the upper door channel, and we've got those available. You can see that this one had quite a bit of pitting. Not so bad, but as long as we have a new one, we decided to go ahead and put that in. Here we've got a door glass, and this one was still pretty good. Although we've got these available in both clear and in tinted. So we're going to use the factory door glass back in the installation. This is the lower window channel. It's pretty bad. A little twisted and holy. Got a little tape here that goes inside our brand new lower window channel. And you'll notice that this side is flat and this side has a little angle to it. So that makes it unique to the 63 and 64. Vent top tips. This is the one that was in the car, and now this is our new vent top tip. It'll make, when the vent window goes up, just a nice secure seal. This is also used on the vent window. This is an upper division channel. And Chris restored this part of the car, which is the whole vent window channel that goes in the lower part of the car. And then he'll be installing this vent window division seal that goes all the way down to the bottom of the door. These are then cut off to the length that you need. These are the upper stops, and these particular parts are guides. They're not available new, but we've just cleaned them up. And then we move on over to the vent window itself. So we buffed up the old one, made it as nice as we could, because they're not available. But we also have new rubber that we put in, and then we've got the vent window itself, and they're available in reproduction. This particular one, we are using our original one. It's not that bad, but you can buy either the glass or the complete frame as you see it here.